Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So, for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on this edge of your device. So what you have to do is to just put this device inside the hole, and the slot will come out. And here you have to put your SD card, and right next to it your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it requires PIN code for my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.